Kia ora, ko Sophie toku ingoa. My name is Sophie. It's disco day.
Ka mōrena, Te Anau SCHOOL, ko Caria toku ahau. I'm Caria. Welcome to the morning report of Rapere in the 2nd of July.
Let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is tāoki, which is te reo Māori for rest.
It also means to stop working and take a break. That's tāoki, and that's what I'll be doing in the holidays.
Okay, lunchtime activities. Today, straight after eating from 12:30, Graden Crafts are meeting outside room 9 with all years 1 to 4.
There's capture the flag on the Kindy field, years 4 to 6.
And outdoor games for everyone, meeting on the running track. Have fun, koutou!
And if you can't remember what's happening, check out the activities whiteboard outside the office at lunchtime.
Ka pai, health and safety news. A reminder about washing or sanitising your hands before eating. Stay safe, everyone.
Okay, bus news, especially if after school today you have rugby, tennis, art, dance, art or music.
Students not on the bus after school, remember to mark yourselves off. And if you've already done it, ka pai.
Okay, yesterday we had most students using the bike racks. Please remember to park your bikes in the bike racks.
Disco news, tonight's the night.
The theme is heroes and I can't wait to make sure you dress up, pump up and get down for prizes and fun. See you there.
No birthdays at Te Anau SCHOOL today. Everyone is saving themselves for the disco.
Office news, raffle reminder, if any raffle cards in your bags, please get them to the office. Pronto.
And lost property, polar fleeces. Brewer, O'Brien and Isaac. Go pick them up at the office. Thank you.
Lastly, tomorrow is Ramiro and we all know what that means. Sausage sizzle day. So remember your gold coins and go to the cave block first thing.
Now if you missed any info, check out the notes in the description box below. I'm out. See you tonight.
And from everyone from the report team, Piki Kiki Tamata.